Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do.
Hey guys, making mandazis is very easy. I've always known how to make mandazis, but not this particular recipe. I wish I knew this recipe earlier, but Godspeed. And now I want to share this recipe with you, which is very easy and very yummy. And for those who might be wondering, my name is Faiza. I make easy homemade recipes on this YouTube channel and homemaking videos. So if you're interested in such content, please remember to subscribe and like the video. For my returnees, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. And so let's get onto our ingredients. So for our ingredients, we do have flour. This is 6 cups. You can have an extra cup aside in case you need it. We have our lemon. I'm going to use just a bit of it. That is the outer covering, the lemon rind or the lemon zest. We have 4 cups, not 4 cups, this is 4 tablespoons of sugar. And then we have like 1.5 tablespoons of butter melted. Yeah, you can use Blue Band or you can use Prestige for margarine, but I prefer Prestige. It's closer to unsalted butter. And also we have milk, 2 cups of milk. We have cinnamon powder right here. And then we have our chapa mandashi, which is our baking powder. And so guys, we're going to begin by mixing the dry ingredients first, and then the wet ingredients will come in later. So I'm going to begin by sieving our flour to incorporate air. Yani kufanya ile mandazi fure smart. Yeah, we're going to use this sieve. So you do it bit by bit. Next, we're going to get this lemon zest. After adding the zest, then you're going to put sugar, then you're going to add our cinnamon, just need that. There we go. Then you're going to add our baking powder. This one. This side is used. This side. We're going to add 1 teaspoon. That's enough for us. Caution guys, cinnamon might make you sneeze. I'm just from sneezing a lot. But we continue. So mix that. Almost forgot a spoon in there. Mix everything. You can use your hands actually. You rub. It's like you massage that flour to make sure everything mixes so well. Okay. So after that, we're going to add our butter, ama margarine, ama Blue Band, ama Prestige, whatever you're using. You rub in everything. This ensures everything is well mixed. That's why you always rub in. You can do that. That's recommended too. That. Make sure you mix flour yote vizuri like that. And then you make a dent in there, make a hole, and then pour your milk. Mix. I did just maziwa kidogo, so I'm going to add more. Do it gradually. For those who have been following me more, they know I don't like using my hands most of the time, but I use them when necessary. So I always use a stick, so you can add the rest of the milk, then continue mixing. So keep on mixing, and remember that extra cup I say, the 7th cup, that is when it comes in kumalizia sasa. This is the cup I'm using, guys. This is my cup. So you add gradually, pole pole, si overdo. Then you mix. You can use your hands or you can use a stick. So mix that well. So after beating it for some time, utaiweka kwa surface, put it on your surface. Then apply some oil like that. Work on it. Knead that. After you're done kneading well on your surface, put that back onto your basin, and then we're going to cover it up using our cling film. Now let that rest for a bit, for maybe 30 minutes at least, but we always prefer doing that for an hour. An hour is always good, not even an hour, guys. Overnight, if you can do overnight, the better. But since we don't have the time and we do not always plan to make mandazis, so we're going to give this an hour. So this is 1 hour later. Our dough is stretchy, really nice. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to flour it a bit to avoid sticking. So I'm going to divide this into different portions. So we do that. Sizable portions. And then I'm going to place them on my side. Use a knife for your hands, as you've seen I've done. You do this, yani ni kama unatingiza. It's like you shake and then curve in like that. Make sure it's all round. And so here are our balls, mandazis. So next step is to roll them up. So on your surface, you're going to put some oil. Like that, and then roll that up using a rolling pin. Make sure it's even. You do not need it fattening on these ends or thickening on those ends. So you make sure your ends are well, and then make sure it's not too slim and not too thick. Okay. So you can use any shapes you might have, or you can go in for any shapes. But for me, I usually go triangular and then boxes for the remnants. So I usually do it. Make a perfect triangle and then like that. So our oil is ready. So we're going to go in the mandazi as fast as possible. Then turn them immediately. Like that. And allow them to cook. Your pan, make sure you put from the edge like that, the edge like this. And then start turning immediately. So guys, that's how our amazing mandazis turned out. Really yummy, really tasty, and very soft. Give this mandazi a like, guys. Remember to give a like to this video, and also if you've not subscribed, please, and you've watched to the end, kindly support your girl. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing content. For my returnees, you have some place in my heart. Thank you so much for your support. So allow me see you in the next video. Bye bye.